Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's everybody else, huh? Well, Cameron.
Uh-huh.
Well, Cameron. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, you don't want any more? Okay. Oh my goodness.
Record him real quick.
Oh my
Hello.
I have friends. Are they not gorgeous?
And they're amazing.
Yeah. I got them in without a feather. They were naked when I got them. Their mom and dad had been killed, the trees been chopped down. Oh my goodness.
How many are there? Two.
Oh my goodness.
I have a hat.
Yes,
A very
you do.
noisy hat.
Well, Cameron, you gonna come over here? No, I sure am.
Look at the little one. Oh my gosh. Do you get the zoom in and everything?
This is what I mean by getting the camera.
Yes. That's definitely.
Okay.
I just hope he doesn't poop in my hair.
No, they won't. Have you ever seen anything like this?
No, this is like the coolest thing ever.
Yes. Okay, let's see you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Gosh, they're so cool. I love this itty bitty one right here.
Yeah, the little husband.
The cutest thing.
Oh my
You are
goodness.
just so beautiful.
They are
Yes,
beautiful,
you are.
aren't they? You stay in there. You too little to go out
The
yet.
yellow in it.
Yeah, see the golden
So
with
cool.
their... Yeah. These are ground-eating woodpeckers. They eat on the ground, not like the trees, like most woodpeckers. And they're called flickers.
Oh.
But they are a woodpecker. They'll climb on trees and stay on walls, but they look for food on the ground. That's our only woodpecker that does that here. Yeah,
There you go.
here's your food over here, look. What are you? They come in at night, of course.
Yeah.
What do you make of it, Gary? Isn't it neat?
This is awesome, yeah.
Oh.
See, look, they'll climb up. Oh, you're just beautiful. Look over there.